Master this quick exercise and you'll never struggle with two-point perspective again. First, always consider your active drawing surface. To keep your perspective natural and free of distortion, your two main vanishing points actually need to sit outside your drawing area. Near the bottom of your canvas, draw a horizontal line. This will be our ground line or earth line, EL. Slightly above that, draw a second parallel line, our horizon line, HL. Right in the center of this line, mark a temporary central vanishing point, which we'll call VP0. Next, use a compass to measure the exact distance between your HL and EL. Using that exact measurement and keeping VP0 as your center, make a mark to the left and then make an equal mark to the right. Now double that distance outward on both sides. These final outward marks will give you the perfect placement for your actual vanishing points, VP1 and VP2. To start building our 3D shapes, or cuboids, sketch out a few random vertical lines of varying lengths and positions within your drawing area, just like this. Keeping them within this zone ensures a safe, distortion-free view for your artwork. These vertical lines represent the frontmost, closest edges of the cuboids we're about to build. Next, connect the top and bottom ends of these vertical edges back to your left vanishing point, VP1. Now, repeat the same process, drawing vanishing lines from those same ends toward the right, VP2. To establish the depth of your cuboids, drop in new vertical lines between the perspective lines, placing them to both the left and right of each original front edge. Don't worry about measuring the distance from the front edge. We actually want varying widths to make the shapes look more unique rather than perfectly identical. If you're looking to draw perfectly proportioned cubes instead, I highly recommend checking out my previous tutorials where I share an awesome shortcut to do it easily. Now project the final vanishing lines from the ends of these new back edges over to VP1 and VP2. Outline your final cuboids to make them stand out. Finally, fill the faces with your favorite colors to really bring out that beautiful sense of 3D depth. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a like. If you have any questions or would like me to go into more detail, let me know in the comments. Subscribe to stay updated on my upcoming tutorials and help me create more content. Thanks for watching.